Dear viewers and students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I am going to take a new class of class 5. You have already known that our basic exam will not be held this year, but in the school will be taken an exam for comparing your merit to promote the next class. For this reason, we are going to start our online class for you. Today I will discuss with you on Unit 21. Unit 21. The name of this lesson is The Great Day. And in this lesson, if you read this lesson, you have come to know that this is a describing lesson. The writer has described his visiting the Cap Camboree to Sri Mongol and visit there the Lavasara Tea Garden, the Nilkanto Tea Cabin, and many other places. So in this lesson, first we have to know the topic matching. The first question is matching. I have made two columns, column A and column B. In column A I have written some word and column B also written some word. I have to match from column A word with the column B word. So first of all, we learn the word of column A: great, interesting, clean, amazing, start, team, display, lunch, senior, mountains, steam, famous, different. In column B word, various, reputed, fountain, hill, older, midday meal, show, group, begin, wonderful, neaten, amusing, significant. It is an interesting thing. I have made this column. It is called upside down. Upside down. You can ask me what is upside down. Upside down means in column A, the word of column A will be matched the last word of column B. অর্থাৎ কলাম A এর প্রথম ওয়ার্ডের সাথে কলাম B এর শেষের ওয়ার্ডটা মিলবে, মানে শেষের ওয়ার্ড থেকে শুরু হবে। The look at this: great, significant. Great, significant, interesting, amusing, clean, neaten, amazing, wonderful, start, begin, team, group, display, show, lunch, midday meal, senior, older, mountains, hill, steam, fountain, famous, reputed, different, various. So hope you have understood these topics. Again I repeat: great, significant, interesting, amusing, clean, neaten, amazing, wonderful, start, begin, team, group, display, show, lunch, midday meal, senior, older, mountains, hill, steam, fountain, famous, reputed, different, various. So hope you have understood this class for today. Next class I will discuss with you of this lesson unit 1 of true false and question answer. True false and question answer. Today I have finished this class. Hope you will you have understood this class, and also I request you have to write these topics and show your parents for checking. Any confusion you can call me in any time. So goodbye for today.